been for a while. I've been gone for a while, and I know, sorry, I don't want to like blah 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 talk about it too much, whatever. But I dyed my hair blonder, so if you can tell, thank you, I love it. I feel like I just needed a change. I was sick for a really long time, and I have excuses for why I wasn't filming, but that doesn't matter. We have a try-on haul today. I went out of town last month and I went shopping, so I got some stuff and some swimsuits, which are so exciting because summer is coming up and spring is here, and what's a haul without a bikini, right? So I'm just going to start off with the first things there's no order I'm going in with right now. Pretty much I got, there's just so much. I'm going to get into this video because why the hell not? Okay. So I went to Windsor, and I've never had a Windsor store, never been into a Windsor store, only saw Windsor on like the computer, the internet, or an app or anything, so when I saw a Windsor store I wanted to go get stuff, but I didn't want to spend that much money, so I only got one thing at Windsor, which is kind of disappointing, but at the same time I'm happy with my purchase. So I got these gold hoops. Obviously they're fake, but they're one of my favorites, and I actually love them. They're huge gold hoops. They are so pretty. I will zoom in for you and show you. So these are what they look like. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tell, but they are super big and gorgeous looking, and they fit perfectly, and I think they really give a good look. If you go into time with a look and they just hang out, I don't know. Gold hoops are probably a statement in my outfit. I think they're just dainty and fancy, so I really do like. Okay, so next I went to Forever 21, I believe, and there's this top that I got right here. It's currently in my car and I don't want to go get it. It's dirty, and I know it's dirty, but this is the top right here. It's so cute. It's this white ruffly bell bottom top. The sleeves kind of flare out at the end. It's off the shoulder. It's super cute. I love it. Wore it to Palm Springs and it was one of my favorite tops ever. Can't wait to wear it for spring / summer, whatever you want to call it. Then when I went to LA to see my sister, I went into the store. It was like Topshop, but I don't really know, so don't hold that on me. But the brand I got it is called Wild Honey, and it's a two-piece set, and I absolutely adore this two-piece set so much. It's this checkered black and white bottoms. They're just little shorts, and then the top is a little tube top with a nice bow on top of it. It's so freaking cute, and there's a zipper in the back. And this was $27.99. Both of them were, well, actually the top was $27.99 and the bottoms were on sale for $20. So it's super cute. You guys will see that in the try on, and it fits perfectly, and I'm just so excited to wear it for my 21st birthday in Vegas. Only like 5 more months, or in summer, or if I'm on a date, anywhere. Okay, so next I ordered stuff from Fashion Nova. I ordered stuff from fashionnova.com because everybody I watch on YouTube has done a video about it and talk about it, so I've always wanted to order off of it. So I already opened the package. I got it today. It literally took 3 days to get here, except for Saturdays and Sundays, so like 5. Pretty good. So I got these really cute flowy shorts. Obviously you can't tell what they actually look like, so I'll insert a picture of the model right here and then I'll try it on over here. So these are really cute. They're just these black flowy shorts. I'm really skeptical about sizes online because I wasn't sure. So I got a size small, and they're a little tight on the waist, but they actually look pretty decent on me if I had like a cute top with it or a crop top or anything like that. And it's really good quality, so I'm impressed with Fashion Nova. And then obviously I had to get a pair of black jeans from Fashion Nova because I really was actually hesitant about the jeans because they make your butt look phenomenal, which I've already tried them on. They look gorgeous. So I got the super high-waisted dummies in a size 5. So it was like small, a 204 is like a small 3-5, I guess how that works on the size chart. So they just have they're very stretchy. Black high-waisted, I mean very high-waisted black jeans. They unfortunately they don't fit me on lengthwise because I am 6 foot, so it's really hard, but I can always crumple them up, fold them at the bottom, wear them with heels. It doesn't really matter to me. I just was really wondering about the high-waisted part because I am really insecure about my body right now and I'm trying to get toned and work out and eat healthy. So I wanted some high-waisted, super high-waisted denim jeans because I don't want them to see my stomach. So you'll see that in the try on, and they fit perfectly fine. They're stretchy, they're really comfortable, they actually do make your butt look a little bigger than you think. So I'm happy about this purchase, and this was $29.99, which is a good deal because these will be essential in my wardrobe. So that's it from Fashion Nova. Now we're just going to move on to some swimsuits that I got. Okay, so obviously I went to Zaful online because I've shopped there multiple times and I've always gotten swimsuits from Zaful because I truly trust them. So I got 2 bikinis from Zaful.com. If you guys don't know it, look it up. It's been talked about. Look on YouTube. I've done a Is It Worth It video. I'll link it right up here. But the first bikini I got is this like bandeau scrunchie top, and it's a flower color and it's really cute. It's really stretchy. All my bikinis I get in a size 4, which is their medium, I believe. I could be wrong, but I've got to find this. So this is the front of it. I think it's a really cute pattern. It kind of reminds me of my grandma's curtains, but I thought it was really cute. It'd be really cute with a tan. I like it with my new hair. So this is the top. It does fit a little snug, but that's good because I don't want my top falling down in the ocean, in the pool, in the hot tub, wherever you are. And then the bottoms, I warn you, are very cheeky, but these are just the style of bikini bottoms I like. Gotta find the front. Okay, so these are them. They're pretty much a thong, but I really like these. Same pattern, just a nice little floral print and a thong. They're really cute. They are a little tight. I would say this bikini is a little tight, but you could definitely size up. I probably should have sized up because these are a little tight on me, but I still really do like them. The next one I saw Gretchen Loves Beauty had this in, I think, like a black color, so I had to get it. But I'm just going to show you the bottoms. And these are in a size medium, and I got it in the color red. So the bottoms are cheeky, but they're not a thong, which is nice to have. You could say they're a thong, but they're really not a thong because it doesn't go straight up your butt. It just kind of gives you like that nice little curve, I guess, V. So these are what they look like. You could put them on your hips and wear them like this, or you could just wear them regular like this. Either way works, but I think they're really nice. They're just bright red. The only thing I have to say is the white lining on the front. What happens if it rolls over? You can see the white. I don't know about that, but I'm not a fan of that. But doesn't matter. I really do like these, and I got these in a size medium. The top is what I really wanted because I have no boobs. No boobs. So I thought maybe, just maybe this swimsuit will maybe give me a little oomph, you know? Oomph. I can never do that. So it just looks like this. It has this nice V right here to make you look like you have some sort of boob cleavage. But they just like this, and they are adjustable, which is really nice. Clasp in the back, and it's a really pretty color, and it does still have tags on it because I have not worn it yet. But these are both medium, and the mediums actually fit me really well. And then the last bikini I have to show you is not from Zaful. It is from, I want to say, Hollister, but that's okay. Hollister always has good bikinis too. When you always want a bikini on hand, you just go to the store, so that's what I did. And this smells like hot tub. I got this in a size small, I got this in the small, and it's a dark army green color, and it has some nice detailing right here. It does have pads, which is nice, but I really do, I like to take out pads, but for this, but for some reason with this bikini, I like the pads because it does make me look like I have cleavage. And they are adjustable straps, and they do clasp in the back. And then the bottoms, I believe I got in the size small too, and they're just the cheeky bottoms in the same color. Maybe they would work if I did something about it, you know? But these are what they look like. They're off a little bit because I wore them in the hot tub for like 2 hours, but they do have that cheeky butt you will be seeing on the triangle. Please don't hate on my body. I'm working on it. I do have insecurities. Everybody has insecurities. So for me, just to be trying it on is a lot, to just show you guys how it looks on a bikini, how it looks on someone, pretty much. So this is the bikini. That's my haul. That's all. that's all for you guys today. I hope you enjoy it. I will be back with new videos. Like this video if you guys like try on hauls, like this video if you guys want more try on hauls, like this video if you just like me. I'm Georgia, I'm 20 years old, and I just like to make YouTube videos online. I love you guys so much, and bye.